Understanding Cosmetic Improvements, a guide to enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in various contexts: cosmetic improvements. This phrase holds more than what meets the eye, and understanding it can add a nuanced layer to your English comprehension. So, let's unravel its meaning together and see how it can be applied in everyday conversations and beyond. Cosmetic improvements refers to changes made to the appearance of something rather than its functionality or structure. The word cosmetic comes from the Greek word kosmetikos, meaning skilled in adornment, and implies enhancements that are superficial or aesthetic in nature. When we talk about improvements, we mean changes that are made to better something. Combining these two, cosmetic improvements are about making something look better without altering its essential function or core structure. This phrase is commonly used in various fields, each with its own nuances. Let's explore a few. Real estate and home renovation. In real estate, cosmetic improvements might refer to changes made to a property to make it more appealing to potential buyers or renters without significant structural changes. This can include painting, updating fixtures, or landscaping. Personal appearance. When discussing personal appearance, it can refer to beauty treatments and makeup, which enhance an individual's appearance temporarily without altering their physical features. Business and product development. In the business world, especially in product development or marketing, cosmetic improvements might be applied to product packaging or branding updates that don't change the product itself but make it more attractive to consumers. Understanding the phrase, cosmetic improvements, helps in recognizing the scope and limitations of the changes being discussed. It's crucial to know whether changes are merely cosmetic when making decisions, as it affects expectations and outcomes. For example, buying a house with only cosmetic improvements may look appealing but won't solve underlying structural issues. I hope this exploration of cosmetic improvements has illuminated its meaning and contexts for you. Whether you're discussing property, personal care, or products, recognizing when improvements are cosmetic helps in making informed decisions and setting realistic expectations. Thanks for joining me on this linguistic journey, and I look forward to our next adventure in language learning.